In this lecture, we are going to learn that how we can install pip package manager inside our Ubuntu operating system. Now, pip is, just like I said, it's a package manager, and it mostly supports all the packages that your Python programming language use, right? So Python is a programming language. It's the most popular language in the entire world. It is used for almost all the domains of life. It's used in web development, Android development, and then it is also used in desktop app development. We can also use it in AI and machine learning applications as well. We can also use it in IoT. Python is a programming language that we can use in any type or in any stream of life, right? So when we are working with Python, we have to work with the different packages that this programming language supports, right? And pip is a package manager that provides us all the packages that are compatible with Python, right? So it's very easy to install that package manager. All you have to do is write sudo apt install, and then you have to write Python 3. Now remember, when we talk about Python, there are two versions. First, it was Python 2. Which is almost very old now, and it doesn't have any support officially. And now we have Python 3, right? So when we are talking about Python in Linux, then we have to define that which version of Python we are talking about, right? So for that, we have to write this Python 3, right? We can't simply write Python. In Windows, you can simply just write Python without this 3, right? But in Ubuntu or Linux, you cannot do that. So we will write sudo apt install Python 3, and then we will write pip, right? And we'll just hit enter. And we'll just go ahead and enter the password. And here you can see that your pip is beginning to download and install. So remember that the newer version of Ubuntu operating system comes with built-in pip and Python, right? So I mean, you can simply just verify and check that if your system supports pip as a built-in package manager or not. If not, then you can just follow these steps and install it in very easy steps. Okay, so here you can see that it told me that Python 3 pip is already the newest version, right? So because I am using Ubuntu's newer version, right? So pip and Python both comes built in this Ubuntu operating system. So that is why it did not install anything. If you want to see that if pip is installed in your system, then you can use pip 3. Again, 3 is for same reason, because we have installed this pip for Python 3, right? So for that, we also call this pip with pip 3. And we'll use this version flag to see if our pip has been installed. I'll just hit enter, and here you can see we have this pip 22.0.2, and it is for Python 3.10. So that's how you can install pip package manager in your Ubuntu operating system. Now, if you want to see that how we can install different packages using pip, then you can simply do this. You can write pip 3 install. Let's say I want to install numpy package, right? So I'll just write this numpy and I'll hit enter, and this pip will download and install this numpy automatically, right? So it told me that numpy is already present, so I mean that's why it did not downloaded it. But it is this simple syntax that you can follow to install any package that is present in pip package manager.